This is the glass elevator in Center Court at Willow Grove Park Mall in Willow Grove, Pennsylvania. It is a former Montgomery square button from 1982, modernized by Excel. Just filmed the FRT at Macy's, in the Macy's here, which is over there. Really disappointed me. Had a submersible motor while the MT is dry powered. Like, how is that logical? How is that logical? Elevator number 5. I have a feeling it's gonna be really busy. Whoa. Go up to 3. Installed in 1982. Here we go. This is really cool. Man. Here 3. 1. £3,500. Here we go. That's a janitor in red. I swear, hopefully I'm not busted. That janitor shouldn't do jack about it though, because he don't have authority. I don't believe he don't have authority. Plus, this mall don't have a no photography policy whatsoever. Whoa, that's loose. We'll go up to 3. Watch the floor indicator. Stop at 2. Going up. I already got 3. 3's already pushed.
Say again?
You're welcome. Don't mind me, I'm an elevator enthusiast. This is an old Montgomery from 1982, modernized in 2017 by Excel, which is a local third party in the Northeast.
Right.
Have a good one, sir. Round of 1. Chime does not work out here. How shocking. Very nice. I know I hate Kone despises this elevator, but hear me out. In my opinion, this thing's pretty neat despite the mod. This thing is still pretty neat. It would have been cooler if it was a Montgomery, don't get me wrong. It's still pretty neat. Seen the original 1982 style cab. With some modern updates, of course, like this floor. Like I said, I rode the freight elevator at Macy's. It was nice. It was packed and, let's just say, only submersible. And that's it.